It's in there. Some people may be wondering what the craziest thing I've done all week is. And I would say this is it. I am driving the tractor in reverse with no tires, coming down to the forklift going up the hill onto a road. So that's the craziest thing I've done all week. What about you?
Son of a buck.
I got another tractor at my house.
Did you?
Yeah. I changed my mind. We just had to use that tractor to pull this tractor up the hill. So that would be the craziest thing I've done all week. Well, we finally did get this back to the place. This is a 1943 John Deere Model B. This one does have electric start though. And so this is exactly the same year and model and make as the tractor I currently have. So I bought it with the intentions of using it as a parts tractor, but I noticed after I got it back that the engine has been sealed off, so I don't know what condition the engine would be, and it does have electric start like I said, so may try to get it running. I'm not sure 100%. Obviously this side hasn't been sealed off, so kind of defeats the purpose. But yeah, it's not in horrible condition, but it's definitely in very, very bad condition. So we will see what has in store. I know the front wheels unfortunately had to be drug the entire way. You can see the hood's missing a piece, but the spokes are still intact, so if I wanted to use those, all I'd have to do is cut the spokes and have them welded on fresh rims, and it's a pretty common thing to do with this vintage of John Deere tractor. So the rear wheels are still in good shape. They were lifted off the ground the whole time, so, but I say that sparingly because somewhere they had rusted all the way through. So anyways, not particularly using this tractor necessarily for the wheels, but those are easy to find. So it isn't a power troll, there's no lift on this particular unit, and all the controls are pretty well froze up, like really froze up. Steering wheel worked yesterday though. So anyways, yeah, throttle's froze up, everything is frozen, but the brakes have been stolen off of this, and also the seat, and it looks like the brakes were plugged with cup. That scared me. I don't know why it scared me. So who knows, but it'll be fun to rob parts off of it, or leave it here, or try to start it, or pretty much open to any options now. So